Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GitHub Actions CI CD for React with secrets step by step clearly. To configure GitHub Actions CI CD for React with secrets, start by creating a GitHub repository for your React project. Ensure your React project is pushed to the repository. Navigate to your repository on GitHub. Click on the Settings tab in your repository. In the left sidebar, click on Secrets and Variables. Select Actions to manage your secrets. Click the New Repository Secret button. Add a secret for your environment variables, such as the API key or any sensitive information. Name the secret descriptively, like React_up_API_key. For the value, enter your API key and click Add Secret. Now, create the workflow file for GitHub Actions. In the root of your repository, create a directory called .github. Inside the .github directory, create another directory named Workflows. Create a new file called ci.yml in the Workflows directory. Open the ci.yml file in your code editor. Start by defining the name of your workflow with name, CI. Specify the trigger for the workflow using on, push or on, pull_request. Set the jobs section with jobs followed by the job name. Define runs on it to specify the environment, like Ubuntu latest. Inside jobs, add a steps section to outline the steps for your workflow. Begin with name, checkout code and use that action/checkout at v2 action. Next, add a step to set up node.js with name, setup node.js. Use the action/setup node at v2 action and set with for the node version. Then, add a step to install dependencies with name, install dependencies. Use the command npm install to accomplish this. Next, add a step to build your application with name, build. Use the command npm run build. Set up the secret environment variables using the env property. Access the secrets with the syntax $secrets.react_up_API_key. Finally, specify a step for deployment. You can add specifics based on your hosting solution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.